So if your systems and processes aren't working for you, and just anything that you're using right now, if it's not working for you, then obviously it's time for something to change. I was talking about this with my team recently, and just how a lot of our clients are so resistant to change and trying the new organization systems, the digital systems, what have you, just because it is a change. And what they're doing isn't working, so they have every reason to change, but just kind of some hesitancy there. So you're not alone. This is something that I think so many people struggle with, is change. And it's hard to change habits, but we're here to help you. And you can't make things better, you can't improve your systems, you can't improve your organization, you can't improve your processes until you make the change. So just wanted to share that with you, just so you can have some motivation and know you're not alone, and yes, you can do it. All right, till next time.